factor to find the zeros of f and then plot. This is the quick plot. Yay! So it's a cubic. Yes, it is. And then we, whoops, getting distracted here just a little bit here. 4 factors into 2 and 2. So we have a double root. So since the leading term is positive, we still know that our cubic should look like this. These 3 points should be in a line. Everything should look symmetric. I could rotate my cubic around this point of inflection. This is the midway point of the cubic. And that happens for all the cubics that have this shape. I mean, you're never going to have a cubic that does something like that. You know, it is going to be symmetric. Although the cubic can do the following. It can do this. It can slope up, or it can have a flat, like regular x cubed does this shape. But in all cases, it rotates about its middle. Okay, so those are the 3 ways cubics can look, and then they can be flipped upside down. So there's kind of like 6, but there's really only 3 basic ways they can look. Okay, so now we can think about this. Here's a line. You know, maybe here's a line. That's better. Now, this is what it looks like if you have 3 real roots, that the axis is somewhere in here. And if it's up here or down here, you have 1 real root. But if it's exactly here or exactly here, you have 2 real roots. And this is the situation we have. We have a root. Where's our root? We have a root at x equals 0, and I have a double root at x equals 2. So which of these situations are we talking about? We're talking about the single root first and then the double root. So this is what it looks like. And so this is x equals 2, and this must be x equals 0. And so if you want to plot that, there you go. And you don't have to worry about the intercept because you have the origin as part of your plot, so that's not a big deal. If you want to get a sense of scale, this is probably close to 1. It may not be exactly at 1, but we could say f of 1 equals 1 minus 4 plus 4 equals 1. So 1 is about here. So it's, again, this is optional. This is just advice on how to make your plots more realistic. But again, this is completely optional. You don't need that. Okay.